Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark switch wire harness in your gas cooktop, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the gas supply. Carefully lift off all 3 grates. Remove all 5 burner caps and the burner bases. Remove all of the control knobs. You can use string or wire to help pull them off of the valve stems. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread all of the screws, securing the orifice holders to the main top. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the top. Remove all 5 gas valve stem seals. Note the orientation of the spark switches, then detach them from the stems. Use pliers to help disconnect the power wires from the spark module. Disconnect the power cord wire connector, and you can fully remove the old spark switch wire harness. Install the new spark switch wire harness by first connecting the power cord wire connector. Connect the power wires to the spark module. Snap the spark switches onto the appropriate valve stems. Replace the stem seals. Realign the main top on the base so the spark electrodes protrude through the holes in the top. Confirm that the orifice holders are aligned, then thread and tighten the screws to secure the holders to the main top. Replace the control knobs by aligning them on the valve stems and pushing them into place. Align each burner base with the appropriate orifice holder so the igniter electrode protrudes through the hole in the base. Next, position the burner caps on the bases. Align the 3 burner grates on the support brackets and gently lower them. With the repair completed, turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your gas cooktop should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.